I'm Onkar Singh, Sales Director at the Luxe Developers. Our range of units starting from one-bedroom apartments to exclusive 5-bedroom penthouses that offer unparalleled luxury. Our crown jewels, the 2 sky villas at the top, sprawling over 21,000 to 22,000 square feet. Each room is a symphony of elegance, featuring statuario marble floor finishes, Miele kitchen appliances, and exquisite sanitary and bathroom finishes by Jessie. The enchanting outdoor spaces seamlessly extend your living experience. Right across from us, the famous Wynn Resorts Las Vegas is set to open an integrated gaming resort, adding to the allure of this location. We are currently in the first stage of construction with the promise of delivering this masterpiece by Q3 2026. At the Luxe Developers, we're not just building any residences, we're crafting new skyline.